I never lose. I either win or I learn. I come from a beautiful land of Mahatmas and Patels, Gujarat, but I completed most of my studies in the city of Joy, Kolkata. I started my schooling from Julian Day School, Elgin Road branch. Then I graduated in the stream of chemical engineering from the great Jadavpur University. Learning music, listening to music, and of late it is singing. I love to travel to new places, destinations. I'm a big foodie. I love to explore places with all vegetarian food. Now there was a rule in our school to donate onions and potatoes on every Friday, and out of the fear of getting punished, I used to collect stones and pebbles and put it in a paper bag, grab it and donate it. It came to the notice of the authorities and we were finally caught. So that was a very bad thing, bad prank we played. I seek forgiveness, and one should not do this kind of thing in name of charity. All students are my inspiration. I would always look forward to learn a lot from my students rather than I teach, be it latest trend in technology or in music or films, etc. I would love to be like one of them. I'm Kavin. Come learn with me at Openhouse.